This video going to show you how to create a query in Visual Studio Code for Dynamics 365 Business Center. The first step is going to open Visual Studio Code. The second step going to create a query object. The third step going to create data item. After data item created, we are going to create columns. The last step, we're going to set up a relation between items. Okay, let's start. Okay, first we open Visual Studio Code. Then we create a new file. The file name is going to query example 1. The extension name is going to be AL. We must use AL as file extension. Now we use a snippet to create the new query. The object number we're going to use the file 0101. The object name we're going to use the my customer. For this time, we're going to use normal as a query type. Then we are going to create a new data item. The first data item going to be use the customer table. The data source table is customer. So the data item name we name is the my customer here. Under the my customer item, we're going to create one column called number. The column name is number. The source field name going to customer number. We create a second column. We use the snippet T column. The second column name going to call is the column name is going to name. This one is a source table field is like a customer name. Then we create the third column. We still use the snippet T column. The column name we're going to use the payment term. The customer payment term. The column name we're going to payment term. So source field is going to payment term. Okay, so here we don't use the filter, so we delete it. So we create another data item. We use the snippet data item. The second data item we're going to use the shipping to address. The data item name is the shipping to address. The source table name going to be shipping to address. So select shipping to. Okay, under the new data item, we create the first column. It's going to be code. It's a shipping to code. So the source field name going to be code 2. So create another column on the shipping to address item. Is we still use the snippet. Here we're going to use the shipping to name. Okay, the source field name are going to shipping to name. Okay, we don't have the shipping to name. We use the shipping to address. Okay, we change the column name is shipping to address. Okay, we create two column under the shipping to address column. Now we add the property. The data link is the relation with the shipping to address, and the customer relation is going to be customer number equals customer tables number name number. That's going to link the shipping to table with the customer table. So customer dot number semicolon should be put here. Then we use the join type. So we use the join type. Single join type, we're going to use the inner join. We have cross join, for out join, left out join. So here we just use the inner join. We didn't use a variable and check we delete it. That's it. So we press Ctrl F5 and compile and load the package to middle tier. Okay, now we open the web client. We need to add this query to the web service page. So we open the web service page. Here we're looking for the web service page. We create a new service, create a new web service. So the service type, object type, we're going to use query. The object ID is the one we just created, is 50101. So the object name is going to automatically my customer. We name the service name is my customer. Here we need to check the box publisher. We need to check this box. After remove the mouse to another line, so the old data URL going to fill automatically. Okay, we press the old data URL. They're going to bring out they call this one, call this web service. Okay, we get this one.